What's up, some killers? This is your host, Chicano Gamer. I'm gonna show you what's around. Like, this is my office right now. Trying to, build stuff up. This is where I do the recordings and everything, and that's where. So I'm gonna give you a tour of everything that I have here and the game that we're building. And if you guys wanna help us out, we're doing a GoFundMe to finish this game. This is a game that I designed, and that you see that on the wall as well. And this game is called Cyber Wasteland. Okay, so how this game is gonna be basically based on an app game. So if you land over here or over there, they have these numbers, right? So these numbers on the app, you're gonna put in the code, and the code is gonna show the whole world in this space. So this is gonna be the space. If you clear it, then you put a white, and this is one of, or if you run away, and if you didn't clear it out, so you're gonna put red because you have to come back and then destroy that. This is gonna be included as well on the game. 3D printed dice setup, so you can roll the dices and stuff. Like right here, it's gonna have a D100 as well. So the D100 is gonna be pretty much for the checks. So, and I'm gonna show you some of the cards we have designed. Like these cards are gonna be like this. Right now I'm just testing. I'm just testing like different styles and types and stuff like that. It's gonna have some of the, so I print this right with a printer. So they're like not that good quality, but we're gonna get it to where it's good quality. It's gonna have a monetary system. This one we're building it right now where it's gonna have a level, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, whatever it is based on those levels. It's gonna be the difficulty of the game, how you're gonna play it. It's a very, very awesome game, guys. So if you guys wanna help us out, I'm gonna put in the link on the description, so you guys can help us out on the GoFundMe. This video is gonna go on the GoFundMe as well. You have the wall. You see, I printed this out in fast signs. So I got all the graphics. The map, I changed it a little bit because how the map is gonna work is gonna be basically cut out so you can add pieces. So it's gonna be like a puzzle. It's gonna cut out all around. Like, this is gonna be the centerpiece, but the corners are gonna be separated and then putting back together, so that way you can have different worlds within. I already have the design finish and everything. I just need to print it out so you guys can watch it. I'm gonna be putting all the updates and stuff like that for this game that we're gonna be building. We're still working on the mechanics of how everything's gonna evolve. There's a lot of good things in this game. It's gonna be a survival game. Basically, we're still working on like I said, the mechanics and everything, but we're like trying to get it to where it's easy to play. My whole philosophy is 10 minutes to understand it, 10 minutes to set up, and forever to play. So this is it, guys. This is my studio. I'm an artist, so I'm gonna be drawing. We also gonna do a comic book for this game as well. So I'm gonna be updating this video as we go along. This is pretty much one of my first videos, so I apologize if I'm a little nervous and stuff like that, but I want to get this game. This game is gonna be so fun. It's gonna be easy to play. None of those like you have to have a master's degree to play a board game kind of type. It's gonna be easy to play. You got your heroes cards They're gonna be awesome. I want to do something laminated, something like this. If you can see that, it's like a lamination and stuff like that. So I want to do something like that. I love Lady Death, so you're gonna see a lot of Lady Death in here. Well, let me give you a tour. It's not a lot, but you know, this is pretty much. Oh, we have a 3D printer. This is what we 3D print everything that we're gonna be doing. This is the laser, which is laser engraver, which we're gonna be using to do some other types of designs on, you know, on the boards and stuff like that. So it's gonna be pretty much, we're gonna use everything. This is like the metal and wood engraver, which we're gonna use as well. I still have to put it together. There's a lot of stuff that it goes into this this thing, but I haven't had time to put it together. But I'm gonna make a video about this, how to put this thing together and use it. You know, I have my vinyl cutter. The way I do it is like I cut pieces like that, and I do like airbrush. So I start like, you know, doing all the airbrush stuff. So I got all that stuff I'm gonna be using because we're gonna be painting for this game. We're gonna be painting this and all the heroes and stuff, and the pieces are gonna be pretty much big, about like 3 inches, maybe 4. I don't want to do the small ones. I want to do the big ones, so that way they can look pretty nice. Let me see what else can I show you. Oh, I'm also a gunsmith. I build guns as well. I'm building this pistol right now. This is a real nice pistol that I'm building on it. I have one that already finished, which is this one right here. This is my M203 A2. What do you guys think? You think it's cool? Got a M203. You can put but this is not a real one. This is just flare gas only, and it also does flares, smoke, and gas rounds only. This is what 37 millimeters, so you can get by these. You don't need a special FFL or anything. But I built this from scratch. Everything, you know, from the barrel all the way to, you know, everything that you see here. I still have to put a gas system in here because the gas system is I haven't installed it yet, but that's an easy peasy. Let's see what else I got. Well, that's pretty much it. This is our adventure. This is my tool kit. This is where I do all the photographs for the product. So we're gonna be doing a magazine for the game, building those miniatures. We're gonna paint those, and we're gonna be doing a 360 on it, which is gonna have right here the lighting. And I put something very cool here as well, which is this thing. This thing is pretty cool because you can change colors and stuff, as you can see inside, and see how the color changes. That's, you know, that's our miniature kind of just a miniature where you take photos for the magazine that we're gonna be building. Excuse the mess. We're still putting everything together, like I said. Let's see, I have a katana right here just in case. Right, the zombie apocalypse, man. You got a katana and M203 over there, so that you can go wrong with that. You can use the smoke to, you know, to hide yourself against zombies and stuff like that. I love Hellraiser, so I got one of these 3D printing racers. Oh, this is one of my favorite ones. This is the Never Ending Story. I grew up in the 80s, so grew up in the 90s and stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start doing some art in here that I'm gonna finish this book one day and then be able to have it all real nice and stuff. Let's see what else. Well, let me know if you guys want to know more about this game, because this game is coming up very, very well. We want to do a prototype, invite you guys to come and play. And see how you guys like this game, because this game is gonna be basically survival RPG game based on the Gorm. It's gonna be a board game and also an app game. So I'm building the app right now. I'm gonna say I'm actually senior web developer. I build apps, websites, and this is pretty much been doing it for over 20 years and stuff. So I'm building an app for this game, so that way when you guys play the board game, you can actually have those numbers right here and dial those up, and then it will be a 3D render with animations. So it's not gonna be all still, and it's gonna have a lot of animations on the app where it's gonna be animated. Every single square right here is gonna be animated on 3D. Yeah, so you can just the rules, we're gonna put in all the rules for the game where you're gonna dice in and stuff like that. I'm gonna start making more videos about the game and stuff, so that way I can get more used to talking, because I'm not really good at talking. So I suffer from anxiety, so I think starting these videos is gonna help me to improve myself and to not be like anxiety, so I can get over all the anxiety stuff. Let's see, what else do I want to talk about? I'll do some videos about the guitar too. This is a guitar that I started a while back. I still haven't finished it. I did this like this drawing. I was gonna do something about like oil paintings and stuff like that, but at the end of the day I was like, nah, I think I'm just gonna do airbrush. So I cut this in the machine right there on the vinyl cutter, and I'm gonna start doing some patterns for this guitar. And I got some I'm gonna mix pretty much all this stuff. I got some of the symbols, like just put them right here, boom boom, all around on the sides like that, all around and stuff like that. I have all the pieces here that it's gonna come with, which is this. Everything is completed right here. Like I got all everything that I need for this guitar. Electrical guitar is right here. You got the sound and everything, the knobs and everything. So even these right here for the side, these are real nice. So this guitar is gonna be a very cool guitar. Can't wait to finish it and show you guys the guitar. Let's see what else we got. Well, this is it pretty much. I mean, there's not a lot, but this is the office. This is where I want to grow as a person, as an artist, because I love art. Something. This is where I do all the photos, or notes and stuff like that we're gonna do for the game. So this is gonna come very handy. Let's see. I think that's about it, guys. So subscribe and let me know how I did. Probably horrible, because this is my first ever video that I've done for the channel. But I hope so that I'll improve for you guys and be able to show you that some of the cool stuff that I'm building, which is this game. So I'm gonna stay tuned for this game to come out. We're like trying to figure it out how much it's gonna cost us per unit. We're gonna try to see if we can get it cheap as possible so everybody can buy it. But yeah, comment down, Just say hi. Thumbs up. Uh, and and that's it pretty much. Stay tuned and keep killing zombies, you some killers.